So why would you buy a system from us here in Boston over any other of the plethora of options available in the marketplace? I would say there's about 3 key reasons. Number 1 is we sell professional grade, top of the line Honeywell equipment. There is a lot of stuff on the marketplace that's being sold as security but doesn't meet basic NFPA standards. So that's number 1, is you're getting very high quality equipment that's going to work at a really affordable price. Number 2 is we think security is the most important thing. We are a 44-year-old family-owned business. Our top priority is to keep properties safe and protect the people that live in them or work in them. However, we also think smart home automation is really cool. And we believe that all of our customers in the next couple of years are going to want to be able to control their security system on their smartphone. They're going to want electronic locks so they can let somebody in the house without giving them a key from their office. They're going to want cameras and to integrate thermostats to get that 20% cost savings on energy over the course of a year. They're going to want lights and doorbell cameras. And we want to be the company that provides it to them in our local way. And when I say our local way, I mean we want to provide the complete breadth of service. So we're going to custom design the system, security, and smart home automation to meet your family or your business's needs. You're going to buy it from one person. We are going to provide technical support and installation across that whole breadth of products. So top of the line Honeywell stuff, smart home automation all in one place. You don't want to buy your security system from one company and then have another app on your phone for the thermostat, another app on your phone for the cameras. That doesn't work. That's a bunch of help desk numbers. So that's number 1. Number 2 is we've built this really cool do-it-yourself installation model. A lot of our customers actually, even though it's professional grade equipment, they want to be able to install it themselves. It's not that difficult to do, and we've built a process that enables you to very safely and securely and quickly and easily install systems that are custom designed. Again, proper security is very important, and shipped to you, but you can put it up yourself. And a lot of people like that, and they love the process. We then tie it to our company-owned central station for monitoring. So we've built that cool DIY model, but as opposed to companies that just do DIY, we also have 27,000 customers in our geographic footprint that we service. And so we have 40 trucks on the road that'll come out and take care of your system over time. So we can install it for you professionally, but even if you install it yourself, you're going to want somebody to service that system over time. So that's a big thing for us, is that we have the scale and the technicians and the expertise to support this technology over time, because it's expensive and it's complicated and technology breaks, and you need somebody that you can reliably call upon to help you fix it when the time is right. And I would say the third most important thing is that we run our own central station. You just have one company that you're dealing with across the entire spectrum of buying this thing, using it, improving it over time, and it's ultimately a family-owned business that's going to take good care of you.